Meaning of Homo.
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 Homo. Homo is a Latin term meaning human or man. In taxonomy, it is often used as part of the scientific name for species of humans and their ancestors, such as Homo sapiens, modern humans, or Homo erectus, an extinct human species. The genus Homo evolved from earlier hominids around 2.5 million years ago and includes several extinct species. The study of Homo and its evolution is an important field in anthropology and paleontology, helping us understand the origins and development of our own species and our place in the natural world.